Today, I'm going to do something a little different. I'm going to try to do some artwork that's similar to an artist that I've been following on Instagram. His name is Louis something
Rossignol,
and his work is really loose, but it's full of intense personality and lovely mixed media. And when I first saw him, I thought, oh, I could never do art like this. This is so different from my own style. And now I'm thinking, oh yeah, I really want to do this. This would be a lot of fun. So today I'm going to try that. And I'm going to try to follow his process and infuse some of his style while trying to keep my style out. It's kind of a weird balance. He does a lot of people in his artwork, and I don't have any people off the top of my head. So I had just gone to the grocery store and gotten some vegetables and some things, and so I'm just going to try out some of his techniques on the stuff that I bought at the grocery store. So let's see how it goes. Louis likes to draw things pointy and jagged, even round things. And he likes to add layers of colors to his objects. He always tells a story about what he's drawing while he's drawing, and he has edgy rock music playing. I'm trying to distort this bag of peanuts, but the drawing is still too refined. The smears of color are better, and when I paint the green, I make sure to paint outside the lines. I dab the markers outside the lines, but the bag of peanuts still looks too tight compared to the orange. I like it, but it's still not Louis's style. Next is a red pepper. I'm trying layers of color, but it's not good enough. Next is an avocado. I wonder how Louis would handle this one. Mine's a flop. Here's a bag of new potatoes. This will be easier for me to do, I think, because I like to draw architectural-ish stuff. But is it Louis-ish? The apple seems to be headed in the right direction. And the last object is a bag of coffee. That was so much fun. I really enjoyed that. I think I probably tried to take on too much, but I've been so excited to do this for a while that I just kind of overdid it, which means I underdid it. And I would say that a lot of my style is still there. It's too refined to really be into the sort of looseness that Lewis does. There's so much to unpack with his style that I'm just going to keep doing it just because it's fun. And thanks for sticking around for this. I'll leave links in the comments for you. Nope, I will leave links in the description for you. Thanks so much. Take care.